Hello everyone, as you might know, Windows 11 22H2 has been released to public. Let's see what features they offer. Okay, let's start with the start menu. Let's see what improvement they have done. So if I go to start menu and let's go to settings, go to personalization and go to start. In here you can see now we have three options. One is more item, more pins, default and more recommendation. So if I click on default and open the start menu, you can see it has like a half section to pin item, half section to recommended section. So now if you click more recommended section, it will appear more recommended sections here, and if you put more pins, recommended section will be smaller and you have a large section to pin items. So I use this one because I'm using pin items in here, so that's a really good feature. And also in the power button, now you can you have sign in options. You can go to settings from here. And another feature they have added is to group. So now you can drag and drop one icon to another icon, then you can group that. So I can type test for now and you can see the name of that group. So that's a really good feature as well. Okay, let's see the taskbar. So now taskbar has the drag and drop support, which Windows 10 has. Windows doesn't have that feature when initially rolled out. So I've been using that for many years in Windows 10. So now you can, I have a HTML file, I can drag and open the browser and paste it here and see the file. So likewise you can drag and pictures to Photoshop or drag and video to video editing software. Likewise you can now drag and drop to the taskbar pin items. Also in the taskbar now you can click on here and the Bluetooth section has been revamped. So now you have two buttons. One is to switch off and switch on Bluetooth, and the other one is to show Bluetooth devices. So now you can just click on the Bluetooth device you want to select and connect to that device. Previously you have to right click it, go to settings and choose the Bluetooth device you want to connect. So that's really good for people using Bluetooth devices. File Explorer, you can see bunch of new features. So if I open my File Explorer, you can see now you can add tabs. Now you can use tab windows like in Google Chrome. You can use tabs and you can move across the tab. Let's say I have gone to downloads folder. Let's see I want to move this folder to downloads folder. You can just drag it, go to the downloads folder and paste it here. Very easy. So that's how you use tabs. And another feature is now you have home section, which was renamed before. I think before is something else, now it's home. Also now you can add files to favorites, files or folders, whatever you think you can add to favorites. You can just click on it and click add to favorites and it will be there. So if I go to home again, you can see it's in there. You can put recently like folders and files which you use most of the time. You can put it to the favorites. That's really good feature. And another feature is OneDrive. So if I go to OneDrive, you can see there's a one icon here. You can click on it and see the storage you have, and you can get more storage. If I click on it, it will show me to buy it. So you can get more storage from there, and you can go to recycle bin, but it's going to the website. But other features like get more storage, go to settings and stuff, you can do it in itself in the Windows without going to the website. So that's really good. And another feature is folder preview. So let me show you. So I have a folder in here. I'll open it. So this is the video, this is a video file in here. What I can do it, I will go to desktop. Now you can see the folder preview, so you can see what's inside that folder from this. I think it's really good and really useful for some people to see what kind of files inside that folder. So that's the folder preview feature. Another feature is, let's say you want to get the path of this folder, you can just right click on it and click copy as path, and you can paste it you can paste it here, and you can see the file path. You can see the file path. So it's really good for developers, because most of the time we are going to go to CMD or terminal or something like that, and you need to get that path. So it's really good to use this copy as path feature for developers. And also they have redesigned the task manager, so you can go to task manager. They have revamped all the things in here, so you can see it's really good new UI, and you have a bunch of things you can do. It's really small things change, but the UI is different. So they have revamped the UI. So now it's like Windows 11. Before it's like Windows 10 version, but now it's like Windows 11 version. So that's really good. Another feature is snap layout. So they have changed snap layouts, and they have added some snap layout. Let me show you. So if I drag and drop this window, it will come here, and you have a bunch of new snap layouts. So you have this one, you can use 3 applications. So it's revamp and redesign that area. So that's really good. Okay, this is not a setting or feature. This is a software they have installed, pre-installed into Windows 11 update. So if you update to Windows 11 new update, you will get this Clipchamp video editor, and if you click on that, you can go there. If you haven't used this video editor, please try it out yourself and see whether it works for you. I think this works for all most of the people, because it has most of the features that paid services are offering. So this is a free option. This is totally free, so you can use it, and this is developed by Microsoft, so you don't have to worry about any other security reasons. It's all installed by Microsoft. If I go here, the really good feature I have used is text to speech. Now you can use this text to speech for free, totally free. You don't have to pay anything, and you can click on text to speech and type something and add it to your video. So I have done a video about this software in the previous. I will put the link in the description below. You can go ahead and check it out, and that's a new software they have integrated. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video helped you to find out, should I update to new version or should I not update to new version. I think you definitely should upgrade to new Windows 11 22H2 update, and I think it's really good because they have got everything in Windows 10 and put it into the Windows 11 with Windows 11 UI. So I think really good, and it's really fast now. So please update and see if it fits you. And that's it for today's video. I subscribe to this channel, and see you next time with another video like this. Bye bye.